Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is iRobot 675 Robot Vacuum. If you're looking to capture savings throughout the year, the Roomba 675 comes at a reasonable price year-round. This basic robot vac includes familiar Roomba features but skips the bells and whistles for a lower price tag. Its patented 3-stage cleaning system is specially engineered to loosen, lift, and suction everything from small particles to large debris from carpets and hard floors. Connect to clean from anywhere with the Roomba 675 Robot Vacuum. The 600 series is a great way to begin cleaning your home smarter. Schedule it to clean up daily dirt, dust, and debris with the app or voice assistant. 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes grab dirt from carpets and hard floors. An edge sweeping brush takes care of corners and edges. A full suite of advanced sensors allow Roomba to navigate under and around furniture and along edges. Cliff Detect keeps it from falling downstairs. Our second best floor cleaning mop is Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner. The Neat Steam Cleaner is an efficient, ultra-reliable do-it-all cleaning and sanitation solution. Designed for performance, ease of use and durability, this steam cleaner delivers the cleaning power of much larger professional units. It can easily remove dirt, grease, and stains while eliminating 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, pathogens, bedbugs, mold and other undesirables from any type of floors, furniture, toys, kitchen appliances, car interiors, grout and tiles, bathrooms and more. Cleaning the most stubborn floor messes is a breeze with this versatile floor tool, which can be used with regular cloths, microfiber pads or microfiber bonnets. Easily restore ceramic and stone tiles to their original shine. The Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner will be your favorite cleaning tool for years. Third choice in our list is Microfiber Professional Mop. This mop is one of the most functional tools with its 18-inch pad that covers more area in less time. This versatile option can be used wet or dry. If you use it wet, dampen the pad with water. No need to immerse it in a bucket or even use soap. This microfiber mop rotates 360 degrees, which enables it to reach every corner and fit perfectly under furniture. With each purchase, this mop comes with several reusable microfiber pads, a dry sweeping pad, and 2 microfiber cleaning cloths. The pads can be thrown in the washing machine after use. Moreover, it is totally safe for all types of floors, be it hardwood, tile, concrete, or stone. Number 4 in our side is UFI G30 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The path tracking sensor ensures that G30 adapts to changes of surface while remaining on the most efficient route to clean each room. From carpet to hard floor, the right path is always taken. Helpful voice prompts inform you of your RoboVac's current status and guide you through any problems that may occur. When the battery level is too low to continue cleaning, RoboVac will automatically return to the charging base. Once charged to 80% battery, it will resume cleaning in the area at which it stopped. The advanced brushless motor significantly reduces vacuuming noise. The large wheels roll over carpets and ledges with ease, reducing the likelihood of your RoboVac getting stuck. Let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best floor cleaning mop list is Bissell 1806 Steam Floor Cleaner. The Bissell Power Fresh Deluxe Steam Mop provides an easy way to tackle those tough, stuck-on messes with the detachable spot boost brush. Cleaning with the natural power of steam sanitizes floors, eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria without having to use harsh chemicals. For those who enjoy a fresh scent while cleaning, insert the included Spring Breeze fragrance disc into the built-in tray to release a burst of scent. Your Power Fresh Deluxe Steam Mop is safe to use on sealed hard floors including hardwood, linoleum, ceramic, tile, marble, and granite. Using the microfiber pad, use as instructed. It's very easily maneuver around and underneath furniture. For more details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.